Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cindy, and today I'll be unboxing my Cartier Love wedding band that I purchased online and just sharing my experience. So it came in this nice brown box and was secured with 2 zip ties. And once you open it, there's a lot of foam, and there is a return slip as well as the receipt. I'm just trying to hide my address there. And then you have the authenticity card. And here you have the nice white Cartier box. Once you get inside, you have the Cartier bag. So for some reason, mine was really dusty, but it's so nice that they include it in your online purchase. Now I'm just gonna fetch the ring, just lots and lots of secure stuffing inside. Here we have the box with the wax seal. So I wanted to briefly go over my online ordering experience. It was quite nice and easy. However, I'd say if you have a boutique near you, I would definitely go into the store. The first ring I purchased actually was too big, and although I did follow all the steps for the sizing, it still did not fit my finger, so I had to do an exchange. This was a really fairly easy process. I called Cartier and they were just able to exchange it. I returned the ring, and about 2 weeks later I received the new one. So here we have the stunning Cartier Outer Box, and once you open it, you'll see another box inside. I love the Cartier packaging, it's just so stunning, and I just love the red. And please excuse my dry hands. I live in a very, very cold place right now, so that's just how it looks on my finger. I actually wanted to get one that fits on my middle finger, but unfortunately this one fits on my pointer, and I will be returning this to get a smaller size. And that is all for today's video. Please consider subscribing for more. It really helps me a lot and keeps me motivated to create more content for you guys. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks, everyone.